Data is all around us, but most times it's trapped in rows and columns in structured or unstructured formats in form of numbers. This is where data visualization becomes key. Creating visuals is not just about slapping data on graphs. It's an art, it's a concept, so you need to understand the principle behind data visualization. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the real world of data visualization, a skill that is not only essential for data professionals, but anyone looking to make data-driven decisions and tell compelling stories with their data. Before we start, what is data visualization? It is a graphical or pictorial representation of information and data, and is done by using visual elements like charts, graphs, and maps. Data visualization tools provide an accessible way to see and understand trends, outliers, and patterns in your data. Additionally, it provides an excellent way for employees or businesses to present their data to non-technical audience without confusion. So it makes things easier to spot in essence. Why data visualization? Data is all around us, but most times it's trapped in rows and columns in structured or unstructured formats in form of numbers. This is where data visualization becomes key. It's the key to unlocking the stories hidden within your data. Data is information, and most times it tells a lot of story, but if it's stored in or if it's trapped in format that cannot be understood or read, that data is wasted. But the role of a data scientist or a data analyst is to bring this data to life, helps tell this compelling and insightful stories. With data visualization, we can transform raw data into powerful visuals that anybody can understand. It's like turning numbers into a language that everybody can speak. There's one thing in creating visualization, but it's another thing to choose the right visualization. There are different data visualization techniques, each suited for different types of data and for different questions. So like I said, there are charts, there are tables, there are maps. So it depends on the question you're trying to answer, or the insight or the industry you are, will determine the kind of chart or data visualization you want to use. So whether you want to compare, you want to track trends, you want to show proportion, there are different visualizations you use for that. So you don't use visualization for trends to look at comparison. So you have to know the different data visualization elements so that you know what you want to use to answer your question or to tell your story better. But choosing the right visualization is key in delivering that story. Creating effective data visualization is a process. It starts from collecting the data, cleaning the data, transforming the data, analyzing this data, and creating visuals. So you have to understand these different processes so you understand how best to tell your story. In my previous videos where I handled Pandas data frame, I've gone through different cleaning techniques on how to clean your data, because the data is usually very messy, right? So you need to clean it. So if you've missed that, I'll put a link for you to go click on the video so that you understand how to clean and prepare your data for visualization, because you need a clean and good data to tell the right story. There are different tools for data visualization. These tools include Power BI, there is Tableau, Python libraries like Seaborn, Matplotlib, and a whole lot of others. So if you don't really like coding, if you don't want to go through the coding route, you could use tools like Power BI and Tableau. They are more kind of click and drag and drop tools for data visualization. But in this segment, we'll be talking about those tools for Python, so Matplotlib and Seaborn, but mostly focused on Matplotlib because it's a general data visualization tool for Python. Creating visuals is not just about slapping data on graphs. It's an art, it's a concept, so you need to understand the principle behind data visualization. This involves things like color placement, it involves the types of graphs to use, the types of charts to use, how to customize your plot. This is a part of the story. It's not just about, okay, slapping your data on your graph. You need to understand the concept, or the color, the branding. All this come together in data visualization. Also, we'll talk about some common pitfalls in data visualization. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed this video so far. In my next video, I'll be talking about the Python library matplotlib for data visualization. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Thank you.